Hi everyone, Nick Ashworth here at Wayne Toyota. Today we're going to show you a look at our 2019 Corolla LE upgrade. It was previously owned by one owner. It's got very low kilometers in 32,000. And if you want to come around to the side, you will notice it is on 16-inch steel wheels. Those are Winters studded as well. You will get the all-season tires too with this vehicle. And one thing to note about the back seats of the Corolla, it's actually Stadium Series seating. So that's going to seat you a little bit higher so you can actually see the road. And we have our standard backup cam. On the inside, you will find an ample amount of room. And also, you will find your spare tire and all the tools required to do so. Let's take a look inside the vehicle and see what features it has to offer. Taking a look inside the vehicle, you'll notice we've got a heated steering wheel. As well, we have heated wipers. And going up, we've got automatic lights. And it is Bluetooth enabled with voice command. And you will also have a few safety features right on the wheel. One is lane departure alert, and the other is dynamic radar cruise control. You will also have pre-collision system for a safety feature. And everything is touchscreen on the entertainment screen. Your climate control is right there. And you also have heated seats in the front with an auxiliary port and a 12-volt inverter. One last thing, you do get a sunroof with this beautiful ride. Again, Nick Ashworth here, down at Wayne Toyota. If you have any questions about our 2019 Corolla LE upgrade or any other vehicles on our lot, feel free to give us a shout, 623-8842. Thanks and have a great day.